Hey, they still ain't do nothing about the other one. Hey, they still ain't do nothing about the other one. We gonna keep bodying them, and they ain't gonna do nothing about it. This is when we show up. Everybody gotta show up this game, baby. T. Reed, let's get it. Fred, if you're the best, you gotta prove that. Let's get it, Fred. Let's get it, Fred. Come on, LB's on 3. Everybody eating, baby. LB's on 3. 1, 2, 3. LB's. Watch our logo. We gonna be all right. We gonna be all right. Party man, party man. Hamilton Tigers got so much swag. Hey, bro, if you was a real dude, you supposed to strip that bar.
Bruh, I want to
see you. Get pathetic.
Face man! Face man!
Let's go, Zach. Let's go, Zach.
Houdini! Hey, that boy never ceased to amaze me. That's terrible. You know why you're in this league. Get off the field. Get off the field. Make sure when you angle with a little bit of level inside so then I can get him out. Touch it. Hey, sing on the diagonal and man, have fun running with that. He came out there, I knew he was getting the ball, because he was out.
Right.
In his stance, he looked real concentrated. He just play it. Yeah. Play it. Hey, if they don't bring someone in, they don't bring somebody in.
I told you, bro. I told you you're gonna get this. 2 weeks in a row. Mom, Dad, everyone back home, I love you guys.
I just looked at my finger, my was all just discombobulated. I was like,
hey, I'm turning it in. Hey, huh? I'm turning it in.
every time y'all come here, we blow y'all out. This ain't even fun no more.
Like Madden on rookie.
That's a catch! Hey, that's a catch!
Ruling on the field is confirmed as an incomplete pass.
Finish them.
Let's eat. Swear to God. And Zach Calero. It's hot. Hot. Woo! Hey, head on head. Sit down some me. 1, 2, 3. Sit down.
Bro, I slipped, bro. I know. As I was going up, I was like, bro, I don't know why they getting so mad, bro. This ain't new.
Let's go. I know we're tired, but let's push through. We got 6 minutes. Let's go. Wrap up, man. No hockey. Wrap up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't put this on TV, people. Put it on there. Just thank me one time so I can get on TV with you.
Be hard.
You know what I'm saying?
Doing it big out here for the classic.
Let them know.
Shout out.
Hey, my man Solo sick right here. That's how he do it. I tell him everything he knows. Back to back. I'ma go say bye to my baby girl, and then I'ma go drop her up at the airport.
Holly.
They love you.
Let's go.
Yo, boy, Holly. It's a great team win, man. It's a great team win. We done. We did our job. Now it's time to move on.
Hey, what they say?
Take it to me.
That's all I got for y'all today.